In today's video, we will be discussing the essentials of applying for a B2 visa as a YouTuber. The B2 visa is primarily for tourism, but as a content creator, there are specifics you need to consider. Let's dive into the details. First, let's outline what we'll be covering. Understanding the B2 visa, the impact of content creation in the US, key considerations you should be aware of, getting the right legal advice and exploring alternative visas, plus a fun quiz to test your knowledge. Let's get started. The B2 visa, also known as the tourist visa, is designed strictly for tourism purposes. This visa explicitly prohibits any form of work, including creating content for monetization. The diagram outlines this flow and helps envision the regulations clearly. Now, let's talk about how creating content can impact your B2 visa status. Firstly, if your content is monetized, it might be interpreted as work, which could be considered unauthorized under the B2 visa. Also, remember, if you plan to visit the US frequently for content creation, it might invite scrutiny from immigration authorities. When questioned about your activities, it's crucial to be honest about your profession. Lastly, always emphasize that your primary purpose is tourism, which aligns with the visa's intent. Time for a quick quiz. What is the primary purpose of a B2 visa? Your options are tourism, employment, education, or permanent residency. You may pause the video now to think about the answer. We will discuss the answer in the next section of the video. The correct answer is tourism. The B2 visa is intended explicitly for tourism purposes only, and any form of work is not authorized under this visa. When applying for a B2 visa, always consult with a U.S. immigration attorney to receive advice tailored to your specific situation. Engaging in content creation that is monetized can complicate your visa status, and a legal expert can offer crucial guidance. Alternatively, based on your professional needs, consider other visa options like the P3 for artists or the O1B for individuals with extraordinary ability. These visas are more aligned with professional content creators and allow for work in the U.S. This diagram illustrates the pathways you can consider if your B2 visa application becomes complicated due to content creation purposes. From encountering potential issues within the B2 visa framework, consulting an immigration attorney can guide you towards exploring the P3 or O1B visa paths that facilitate legal work opportunities within the U.S. To summarize, remember the B2 visa is meant primarily for tourism, and engaging in monetized content creation can conflict with visa regulations. It's essential to seek professional advice, especially if your situation is complex. Lastly, explore alternative visas such as P3 and O1B for broader opportunities. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch our video on applying for a B2 visa as a YouTuber. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share with fellow content creators, and subscribe for more insightful content. We'd love to hear your thoughts, so feel free to leave a comment below.